Hello. I've tried many Jones sodas now. Some good, some bad, some okay. I've tried green apple, foo-foo, watermelon. Some have been good, some have been bad. Some have been unique. This is not unique. Cola. This is back to basics. That's why I'm talking to you like this. Stayed. No excitement. No fanfare. Stayed basic cola. It's got an old car. It's got a car that's broken down on the label. So we're going to determine if this cola is worthy of other colas. Quite a high climb. I mean, you got sodas like Pepsi. RC used to be good. What the fuck happened to RC? Can someone explain to me what happened to RC? RC used to compete with Coke and Pepsi. And then in the 90s, it just like crashed. And you could barely find it anymore. In fact, you used to be able to get RC at Shea Stadium. And Ron Darling did commercials for RC. I haven't seen a commercial for RC in at least 25 years. But this is Jones Cola. And we're going to see how this tastes. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what the fortune says. You will soon receive an invitation to a sporting event. Now that this fucking virus continues! I will receive an invitation to a sporting event. What sporting event? There is no fucking sports right now. And this fucking COVID's gonna go on for fucking ever. Anyway, I digress. Na, 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 na. Bah, not impressed. 5.4 on the Jones Cola. Not impressed at all.